Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to disable keyboard clicking sound on iPhone. So if you found the sound that your iPhone makes anytime you are clicking on something on your keyboard, if you found it irritating or you just don't like it, let me show you how to disable it. So it's very easy. Just open your settings app and you need to click on sounds and haptics. Once you click on sounds and haptics, scroll all the way down and you're going to see keyboard feedback. So click on that. Once you click on it, you need to turn off sound. So once you turn off sound, your iPhone is going to stop making sound anytime you are typing with your keyboard. That's it. Very easy and straightforward. So if you found this video helpful, smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos like this. Thanks for watching, guys.